For this delicious gluten-free New England clam chowder, you will need diced onion, sliced celery ribs, diced peeled potatoes, and bacon cut into half-inch strips. In a medium saucepan, fry up your bacon until crisp. Then remove the bacon and fat, leaving about 2 tablespoons of bacon rendering that you will use to sauté the vegetables. In the bacon rendering, or melted fat, sauté the chopped onion until translucent and about to caramelize. Make sure you don't brown your onions, as this will affect the overall color of your clam chowder. Add and sauté the chopped celery, diced potato, and bay leaves. Sauté the vegetables for a minute or 2. The potatoes will not be completely cooked, but this will continue to cook in the liquid that will be added. Add the entire canned clams with the juice into the stock. Then, using the boiling water, clean out the cans and add that to the stock. Add the remaining boiling water. Add the bouillon powder and the fresh black pepper. Then allow it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes start to lose their form and the chowder stock starts to thicken. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chowder has simmered for 10 to 15 minutes, it's now time to add the milk, cream, and bacon. Add the milk to the chowder and allow it to heat. Then add the heavy cream and fried bacon before serving. Do not overcook the heavy cream, as this will separate. Serve the clam chowder with all the delicious fixins. Enjoy this wonderful gluten-free New England clam chowder. More recipes can be found on sammywongsKitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!